Today, the Azerbaijan Public Association for Security and Defense presented a proposal for the improvement of military legislation. The package of proposals was prepared within the framework of the project funded by the Council of State Support to NGOs and aims to address social difficulties encountered by military servicemen. The author said that if their reforms are adopted, they will affect not only soldiers working for the Ministry of Defense, but also employees of other law enforcement agencies. One of the key problems is the provision of housing. According to military legislation, a military serviceman should be provided with the housing for 3 months after his military service begins or 6 months after demobilization from military service. However, these provisions are not being implemented. To fulfill this clause, the President allocated 5 million ASEAN to the Defense Ministry several years ago, but this was only enough to construct 2 buildings. A number of military families are still waiting for housing. Unused vacation rights is another problem, due to Ministerial Cabinet's failure to set the compensation rate for unused vacation time. The servicemen who have not taken any time off have not been given financial compensation. Thus, the legal reform proposals also included the allocation of pensions for spouses of military employees and guarantees of servicemen's human rights and political freedoms. The proposal suggests that it is the officer's right to be involved in social political activities outside of work hours. The new proposal also suggests that military servicemen are given the status of civil servants. They are basing this proposal on constitutional clause which says military service is the most superior civil service.